Hey guys, I look like a major mess right now, but I just wanted to put this in before the actual video. We actually went to Cedar Point like a little over 2 months ago, but I've been trying to make the intro and everything, and I still have to make the outro, but I'm working on that in the morning when I get up. It's like 2:30 in the morning right now, and I just finished the intro, and so I want to go to bed. But I'll finish it in the morning and then I'll have the video posted. I'm doing all of this editing with my phone and everything, so it's not the greatest, but I'm trying, and I'm gonna be getting a laptop as soon as I can because I need one for college too. So I just wanted to say that. I hope you enjoy the video. It's not very good, but yeah, thank you.